You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 32, which is all about making sure that we are taking snapshots of our machines. So very first thing that I'll do is I'll very carefully, I'll shut down my machine and then take a snapshot. And I'm going to do it in the same order that we did the previous time, where I go from every other domain joined machine to the domain controller in increasing priority. So this is hardware maintenance that is planned. Continue. Now once the machine is shut down, then I'll take a snapshot. Now taking a snapshot is easy. We already have a snapshot, but this time you're going to name the snapshot something different. Like last snapshot was lab 8. This one will be lab 32. So once this shuts down, and you cannot take a snapshot while the machine is working. You can see this. You can take a snapshot when the machine is working. Or can you? I don't remember that you can take a snapshot. But okay, I would still not want to do it. It's just a me thing. Unless and until it is absolutely necessary, because when you take a snapshot when the machine is working, it does tend to get a little bit dicey sometimes. So this will be lab 32. So I've taken a snapshot. As you can see here, I have 2 snapshots. I click on Snapshot Manager. I have 2 snapshots here. Perfect. Now I move on to Nita ADDS01. Now I have all of these things open here. I'm going to shut down everything. I'll click on Start, Shut Down, Hardware Maintenance Planned, and shut down. Continue. And I'll wait for it to shut down. Once it is shut down, then I'll take a snapshot of this machine, name it lab 32, and the same thing will also happen for my workstation. Even though it is not working at the moment, you can see that it is in a suspended state. I'm going to power off the machine, discard the state, and then I can take a snapshot. So first, let me finish the snapshot for ADDS01. Right click, snapshot, take snapshot, lab 32. Then I move to Nita WKST01, snapshot, take snapshot, lab 32, and snapshots are taken. And that is the end of the lab here. So this lab is just about making sure that everything that we did until this point is actually protected. You can always revert back to that to work if anything goes wrong. So I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.